Guys, quick video just looking at how to remove some old Oxford grips. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. They seem bonded on pretty tight, so I'm going to try various things and I'll keep you posted with how it goes. The first one I'm going to try is the old hairdryer and see if I can break the resin within. So I'll get back to you shortly. Well guys, I've used the hairdryer and heated the grip. As you can see, this is the left hand side, not the throttle side, and it's just come off. I think the top tip is to cut the rubber away first, so you're not heating through the rubber. Just cut down to this plastic sleeve thing, heated it up, maybe 30 seconds, twisted it, off it came. I'm now going to do the throttle side, but I've got to be extra bit careful because of the throttle housing, otherwise I'm going to end up buying a new throttle. But I'll see how that goes and I'll get back to you. Aye guys, while I'm in the process, what I do to cut the rubber off, score it straight down the middle with the old, whatever you want to use. I've used a Leatherman, and then just kind of slowly kind of peel it back, and that's pretty much it. I'll let you know it goes. The rubber, so it's down to, well, the elements you can see it's pretty much all warped out of shape anyway. This was fixed with the original I suppose super glue that came with the fitting kit. It's pretty solid, as you can see on there. I can't get it off now, so I'm just going to give it 30 seconds with the right guys, here we are, 30 seconds. Sorry about the light, it's really bad light today, but 30 seconds with the hairdryer, and it came off, and there we go. Throttle housing still intact. That's it. So new grips ready to go on. Just thought I'd share that with you in case anybody finds himself in the same boat. That's it. See you later guys, bye.